we doing? Tell us what you're doing. You are the tobacco expert. We are doing Virginia Gold tobacco. This stuff has... No, this not Virginia.
This is 1,000-year tobacco.
Oh, it's 1,000-year tobacco.
It's Hopi tobacco. It's really strong.
So not hopeless, it's Hopi.
Hopi.
Right? And there's no chemicals in it. It's 100% organic. So first of all, Krista and I got the seed tray. There's no holes in it because we don't want water leaking out into the house. So we're going to start them where it's warm. We have Sunshine Mix 4, which is basically perlite and peat moss. Moisten it down, and let's see what the tobacco seeds look. Oh yeah, see how tiny they are? They are super tiny. Actually a little bit bigger than eucalyptus seeds, but... And then, how do you do it? Just going to sprinkle them on? I sowed some a couple of weeks ago.
Sprinkle them over the soil and don't bury them.
Do not bury them. And you have to spray them twice a day, right?
So get the soil...
Moist
before you sprinkle them over the soil, and then spray them twice a day with water.
And then keep them warm. We're going to put an acrodome on top, the plastic lid, to keep the moisture in. These are going in the house. They can germinate without light, but once they germinate, you're going to have to put them in bright light, right? All right, and they like warmth. They're a tropical plant. So there you go. So stay tuned for an update video on Hopi tobacco.
Hopi.
Is it Indian tobacco they call it?
Yeah.
Can we say Indian?
It's really strong. It's strong.
Is it strong stuff?
Yeah.
Okay. Krista says it's strong stuff. We will make sure we do a video of her rolling up some tobacco when it's ready.
Yeah.
Thanks, Krista. You're freaking awesome.